Na, na, na. Flowers, nice flower. What breed? What breed?
Huh?
What breed?
Rottweiler.
Oh, okay. Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. Beautiful day. Sunny, clear skies, blue skies. There. Sunny. Breezy, cool breeze. That's what I need today's morning walk. And there's the biker. Morning. There's an incoming biker again. Another biker. Na 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 na. Morning. I could hear the cicadas singing. Cicadas singing. Nice. How tall the tree is. Going in a walk, going in a walk, going in a walk. Good morning. That's the recreational facility. That's another walker. Hello, morning.
Hey, good morning.
Well, good morning. What breed is that? What breed of your dog? What breed is your dog? It's beautiful.
Oh, it's a Akita.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a female Akita.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
Bye. Beautiful day today. That's the clubhouse, recreational facility. There's another biker there just passed by, and another jogger. Okay, good. Good morning. Taking a walk. Another pass by. Taking a walk, taking a walk, taking a walk. And what is the sign? All pets must be kept on leash. Please clean up after your pet. There you go. Taking a walk, taking a walk, taking a walk, taking a walk, taking a walk. There's the returning jogger stroller. Morning. Good day. Beautiful day. Right, I'm returning to where I came from. Okay. Bye.